Hey everybody, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm here with my sister and we are making
campfire cinnamon rolls.
So basically, here's my little countertop here. There's this little icing pouch that'll come in handy later. But grab one of your cinnamon rolls, okay, like that, and unwind a part of it. We're gonna take our stick here and you're gonna wanna poke it through at the bottom, wind it up to the top, and then poke it again on top so it stays on there. Now that we got our fire going a little bit, we can start cooking our Cinnabon. So what you want to do, put your hand near the fire. If after 3 seconds it gets too uncomfortable to hold there, that's the spot where it's 350 degrees. So it was right about, yeah, right there. So we're gonna put our Cinnabon to cook just like an oven next to our fire here. Now we wait. All right, I think it's just about ready here. Okay, it's all puffy in the middle and it's gonna slide off. The middle is cooked. That's what you wanna make sure. All right, now we're gonna test this thing out. All right, Nat, let's try this out. Okay, you grab the last part. Oh yeah, it's cooked in the middle. They come with little packs of icing. Ours is frozen right now, but we're gonna make it work here. There you go. Okay. All right, go ahead, Nat.
Make sure I get icing in every bite.
Tastes good? Does it taste like a cinnamon roll?
Smaller, but yeah.
Is it like what it would taste like in the oven? Or does it taste better over the campfire?
Better.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that is really good. I would definitely recommend. By the way, these icing containers here, if you wash them up, they make great for holding little things on your workbench, like little buttons or paper clips. Do you want to make some more, Nat?
Love to.
Yeah.
What is it?
Icing.
Icing.
That one looks good. Hey everyone, if you got this far in this video, thank you so much. I did not record an outro for this video, so I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you some exciting news. I started a podcast. That's right, it's called Inspire Adventure. It is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, basically anywhere you can get a podcast. I will put some links in the description below. Make sure to check it out. My first episode, I did an interview with Jed Fines. I will link his channel down below as well. There will be more episodes soon, so make sure to stay tuned for details. If you haven't yet already, please hit the subscribe button down below and give it a thumbs up. With all that being said, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.